Hey, welcome back to this Sigma Made Simple tip. For this one, I'm going to show you how to work with a control. I have a control I've put together here at the top. It's just called search for product color. I want to find the product name and search for it and find the color. The problem is that the name's in here, and I could use some regex to possibly pull that out of here or have a separate column, but it's all in the same column. So the way I can search for this is that I can actually just go over to my settings on my control, click show operators, and now I have contains. And if I type in gold, it's not going to update, but if I just change my target, now I'm just going to go page 2, hands-on lab, and I'm going to choose that product name, and you'll notice that now this is returning all of those gold values. If I wanted to set does not contain gold, I can do that same thing, return those values. So by adding this in to the settings to show the operators, I now can search my field super quick. That's my tip. Thank you.